thank you for joining me here on my video today. So today we're going to be looking at Google Meet and the troubleshooting and help options within Google Meet, which is now integrated within your meeting. So let's get started straight away. So we're going to go into a Google Meet, again in the same way using the nicknamed meeting. So I'm going to call this demo, click continue, and I'll load into my Google Meet as usual. So I'm going to join in, get rid of my usual pop-up. You'll see me appear. There we go. Hello, everyone. So we're going to go to the traffic lights in the bottom right-hand corner, and we're going to see a new troubleshooting and help option appear down here, which is really cool and something I really want to share with you all. So I'm going to go into this troubleshooting and help option here, and you'll see here I've now got some options for network stability, some general tips in here, and also some system load and things like that. So what I really like about this is it gives you some tips. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router. Avoid activities that heavily use your internet connection, such as gaming and streaming from the internet. And you'll see here I have a connection delay. So it picks up within the last 5 minutes of this graph. So you'll see here it produces a little graph to show my latency and megabits per second that are being sent through. So I can see here whether I've got a significant lag on my meeting. This is really good if you're starting to see other people a bit blurry, or you're losing people, or it's lagging, as most of us would know it as. This is a great way to check that, and it's all built into Google Meet now, rather than having to have an extension for it before, or deep diving through your settings on your computer. It's all built into Google Meet, which I really like. And underneath that as well, you've got a system load section here, and it gives you some general tips to close browser tabs you're not using, other apps that run your computer. So if you're using Chrome like I am here, I try to only have Chrome open. If I've got any other programs like Photoshop, which are quite heavy on the CPU, I tend to get rid of those before going into a Google Meet. And just tries to free up a little bit of the system power in order to make the Google Meet smooth for the other users. So you can see here it also brings in a CPU usage graph in the last 5 minutes as well, and it's all detailed as to precise seconds and percentages that arise during your meet. So I really like how detailed this is and how many options you've got to see in here. You've got some more troubleshooting tips down here, which opens up in a Google support forum. You've also got a help tab down here, and these links here will take you again. It will open up a new Google support page, which will show you how to use all the different features within Meet. So it's all built in here within Google Meet now, whereas before you'd have to go off and find the forums elsewhere. So I really like how they've integrated that within, and especially that now you can see live data pulls from your machine and from what you're doing in the Google Meet. So hopefully this will help some of you in terms of seeing how your computer's running, and how to make things a little bit easier for students and staff during your meetings, especially in a remote learning situation. Please feel free to share this with friends, colleagues. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.